Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Western Digital My Passport 2TB portable hard drive. Let's see what you get inside the box, how it looks, and how fast it really is. If you're planning to store games, photos, or videos, this might be the perfect budget drive. Let's jump straight into the unboxing. Alright, let's start with the box. WD keeps things simple and clean, a compact box with the usual My Passport branding. First, you get 2 terabytes of space, perfect for storing large game files, 4K videos, high-resolution photos, and full device backups. Once we open it, the first thing we get is the drive itself wrapped in protective plastic. The design is compact and durable, making it super easy to carry in your backpack or even your pocket. And a quick start guide with basic setup instructions. Underneath that, there's a USB 3.2 cable for fast data transfer. It comes with USB 3.2 Gen 1 technology, which gives you fast transfer speeds, ideal for moving big files quickly. And here it is, the My Passport 2 terabytes. It's lightweight, sleek, and pocket-friendly. The matte and textured finish gives it a premium feel, and it's designed to withstand everyday use, including travel. The drive supports 256-bit AES hardware encryption and password protection, so your data stays secure even if the drive gets lost. It's plug-and-play for Windows and easily reformatable for Mac users. You also get built-in WD backup software that helps you automatically back up important files so you never lose anything. Now let's plug it in and see how it works. As soon as you connect the drive, the system detects it immediately. As you can see here, on my drive I've already used around 740 gigabytes of space, mostly videos, games, and project files. Despite that, the drive still performs smoothly without any lag or clicking noises. Out of the 2 terabytes, you get around 1.8 terabytes of usable storage, which is normal for all hard drives.